now guys, in band, what you can do? So as of now, it is level like this, right? So suppose we have band like something else, right? We have band, suppose 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and we have predefined band. So I will replace it with the drop down. Cancel this, delete this. So to delete this, you can select and simply press delete from the keyboard. It will get deleted. It is gone. I'll click on drop down. Okay. So in drop down, for now, I will hard code the values. And this I'm doing very deliberately because I wanted to show you something. Okay, so suppose we have 1.1 band, or let us have it as level 1, comma, level 2, comma, level 3, comma, level 4. Okay, so if you go here, so now this is also tightly coupled, right? You have to select levels from here. So let us keep this project code as free text only. We have few error because we removed the data card value 20. We remove this thing. Guys, please be on muted. I will give you the time to unmute yourself and ask doubts. Okay. So this is how for band. For project code, let it be this thing only. Invoice number also we will generate with the code, amount and business justification. It will look like this only. So now guys, just have a look and let us see how it works. Let us try to add a record. KSR-3 employee ID 0 Indrajit Singh Mahesh Hyderabad department admin contact number 95966748812 level 4 project code employee type full time invoice number invoice date start date and end date. Then you have expense type. Then suppose amount as 5,000. Business justification for learning purpose. Okay. So this is how it is there. So now I want you to have a look on the dataset also. SharePoint. Expense tracker. This is the one that got it from there. Let me delete. I think when I was explaining to someone. Okay. So now let us go ahead. Just have a look here. What is the band that we have selected? Level 4, right? Click on submit. Okay. Now let us go back to the data source. This got mapped, this got mapped, this got mapped, this got mapped. But there is one field which is not updated. What is that?
And
Band, right? So
yeah,
band is not updated because we have did the modifications in the form, right? With the controls.
yeah,
Getting it? So
yes,
now it
yes.
was not able to interpret that. So now here your submit form is failing when you are making some changes with the form, isn't it?
Yeah. It's
Right,
not
guys?
failing. However, it's not failing. It's just missing one, like whatever is the
This is
updated.
more dangerous than getting failed, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So you are
Don't
losing
talk
on
about
information, right? You're not getting any error, you're not getting anything, but you're losing on the information, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now, guys, to resolve this problem, I will introduce another thing to you, which is called as patch function. Okay. So patch function is the another function with which you can store the data. So unfortunately, we can't cover that in this class now because that itself will take 30 minutes to write the code because I will write it very slowly. Okay. We have to map all these fields to the backend field. Okay. So we will cover it tomorrow. So I will hold it up till here for the day. Okay. Tomorrow means Monday. So then Monday we will continue from here. So now whatever doubts you have, you guys can go ahead. I know you will be having plenty of doubts. So I would love to answer your doubts now.
Okay, Indra. So if any of the field was empty, so if we click submit button, so can we get the same error like fill the form completely?
Yes, very good. Very good question, Krishna. So as of now, you're talking about nothing called as mandatory fields, right?
Oh
So
yes.
you can make field mandatory with the code, okay, with the PowerFX code, and that I will be showing you with the patch function how to make it mandatory.
Okay, for
And
every
here
field
also
we
you
have to
can make.
mention the. I'm
Yes,
sorry. Go
let
ahead.
me show you. Let me show you here itself. Here also you can make mandatory. Now you know if condition, right?
Mhm.
So suppose you want to make this field mandatory, the ID, the
Yeah.
expense ID. The
Okay.
name is this thing, right? Data card values this 16. I will change it to expense card. Okay.
Mhm.
So that it is little relatable, right? So now I will check here. Before submitting the form, I have to add that condition, right? So I will see if, come on, why my keyboard is not working at all. Although I will show you with the patch function also, but let me put it here. If what you have to check is blank, right? If it is
Yes.
blank, expense card. If expense card is blank, what should happen?
No an error. Notify.
If it
Not
is
suppose.
true, if it is true, what should happen?
Notify.
You
Notify.
should notify, right? Notify. Please add expense ID. And this will be what?
Text.
Error notification, right?
Yeah.
Notification type dot error. And if it is fine, then what should happen? All this logic will execute.
Okay. So in
Notify
case like
error
if.
typo, right? If it is blank, it will give you this thing. If it is not blank, it will execute the entire thing. Let me format text. Look. Okay, let us see now. Expense ID, I don't have anything. Click on this thing. Okay, it got executed. Let me see what is the issue. Might be it is storing something. Expense card only, right? Huh? Is blank false? Very nice.
Otherwise,
So back.
Indra, you can do vice versa. If it is not
No, no, no,
blank,
no,
then
no.
the form should be
Wait,
submitted.
wait, 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 wait. Is blank is returning false? That means it has something here. That's some space or something due to that. Okay. Let me see what is the default value. Or you can put on length also. But I will try to keep it as blank. And now let me see what it is returning. Still it is returning false. Yeah. I have passed only control, right? So it should be text. Look, please add expense ID.
So
Getting
in
it?
order
That is
to
some kind of
satisfy
validation button.
everything, like we need to keep every field.
Yeah, you have to keep every field here. If you have
Okay, with
multiple
the
fields, you
condition
have to
itself.
keep every field in that condition.
Okay, in the condition we'll keep like a semicolon, like expense card dot text
Yes,
semicolon,
correct. Not
employee ID,
semicolon. You will
comma.
put like this and an or.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, fine.
Yeah,
Thank
Indra,
you.
but this is some kind of validation, right? Instead of that, can't we show a mandatory symbol and
Yeah, so you can show that mandatory symbol, but mandatory symbol, it will not work with magic, right? You have to put, add the logic. So let me show you that mandatory is it will be asterisk symbol, right? It will be available here.
Not.
Uh,
It could be star, I guess.
yeah, star, asterisk, star. Uh, One and the same thing only. Okay, name here star, right? That is what you are trying to say. So it will be like this, right? You can take this and align it here by changing the color. So this will tell the user, okay, this is mandatory, right? Like this. But you have to implement the logic, right?
okay?
No, he was asking about during the submit button, so it should show over there. I'm not correct if you're saying that one.
In submit button, it should show the star.
No, 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 no. Once you submit, so the mandate fields, it's coming error, right? So it should highlight the expense ID was not written. Over there, it has to
Yeah,
be
yeah, you
come like
can do
mandate.
all those things. You can do all those things. You
Okay.
can play with this thing, right? You have the values here. You have this thing. Display mode, disabled color, right? Fill. So you, as of now, fill is this, right? So you can add one more condition here if it is not blank. If is blank, so then you can mark it as red, like that. So you can play with these properties. Okay.
Fine, fine. Yeah, makes sense. Thank you.
Can we make hello?
Yes.
Can we make expense ID a dynamic primary key, auto-generated serial
Yeah,
number?
we will make. We will make that, but in the upcoming classes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Anyone else? Anything?
Hi, Nadir.
Hi.
Yeah, for this, we need to have some SQL query knowledge for that PowerFX for building the
Sorry.
logic for every field. For PowerFX, we need to have the logic SQL knowledge for that,
No, 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 no,
like
no,
that
no, no. No
DAX.
SQL required for Power effects.
Is it like a DAX like PowerFX? For every
Yeah, you
field, we
can say
need
that.
to build a
You
logic.
can say that, Mohammed. You can say that. It is like DAX only. Not similar to
Okay,
DAX. Not exactly DAX. You can
okay,
say the family of DAX.
okay. So yesterday I was a bit late. I haven't attended the class. Like I have few questions. Like, what is the data set values 19? Is it a control or
Sorry.
yesterday I haven't attended the class,
Yeah, that
so
I
what
understood.
is the
What
data
is your
set value
question?
like what is the
What is
data
the
set value
question?
16, that is it?
Dataset value 16.
Yes, what is it a
This is nothing
syntax?
more. This is the name of the
uh,
record. Name of the control. You can give anything here. If you want to give it as Mudassir, you can give your name also. But now this control will be called
okay,
as Mudassir. Okay.
okay, okay. So no need to memorize, right? It will be
No, 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 no. Nothing you have to
required like
memorize.
that. Okay. It's like DAX
You can give
only. Just
meaningful
we need
name
to
here. You
build the
can say,
logic
okay,
for
this
every
is
field.
instead of data card, you can say contact data card. So now it is meaningful one, right?
Okay. Yes. Right. Yeah, that's the my doubt.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Deepika, hi Indra, don't we have a required action in advanced properties? So the card shows as required register. Previously, Deepika, it was not there, but let me see in the advanced property. Do we have something called as required? I can't see. In display also, let me see. No, I don't think it is done from there. So you can add from
Because
within it.
I've seen it earlier one of the app which had created, so I thought it
Yeah,
was there, but I don't
I
know.
also have seen, I guess,
That's what
somewhere,
I was thinking.
but here I guess it is not available with me.
Yeah,
I'm able to remember it very blurly. Like
yeah,
it was there somewhere, but not sure.
yeah. That's what. Same here. Even I remember seeing it somewhere, so I thought just if it's
Might
there,
be in model driven app or
maybe.
yeah. That is fine. Like required will give you the symbol only here. So you have to
But I
put it.
think it also.
Fill
Sorry,
in the
sorry to cut you through, Indra. But I think it also does not allow you to submit as well if that required action is there.
Might be then
I
might be
think
you must have been using the template.
maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But this is from very scratch, like how you will handle it. If it
yeah,
is
yeah,
there, if it will come in the future, so then you should be able to understand like this is how they might be handling, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, Indra.
Thank you.
Why need to unlock the cells in advance?
Because like when you will create a form, so it will have all the cells in the log properties. So first time when you will be using it, you have to unlock it because these are the auto created, right?
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else? Anything? Okay, guys, in case nothing else, the people who don't have any doubt, they can drop off. We will have a class on Monday. So if you have any doubt how to enroll and all, you could get in touch with the team. They will help you in enrolling.